First, wash the mangoes well. Cut the mango and serve fresh.
She brings the bucket while he draws fresh well water. Together they carry fresh water inside.
Fresh water is ready.
Wonderful. Thank you. Ah, so refreshing. He enjoys the soothing rain outside.
Sharing sweet mangoes and enjoying the rain together.
Even the storm feels peaceful when shared together. After the rain slows, he heads to the market. After the rain slows, he heads to the market. He buys fresh vegetables for home. He brings fresh groceries, and she welcomes him with a smile.
Today we're making a simple cheese omelette in a traditional village style.
All you need are eggs, butter, cheese, a little milk, and seasoning.
Add milk, salt and pepper for perfect flavor. Just a pinch of whisk gently until the eggs turn light and fluffy. Heat butter on medium flame. Pour the eggs and let them cook gently.
Now sprinkle cheese on one side.
Fold it gently and let the cheese melt inside. Simple, delicious, and made with love. Ready to serve. Food tastes better when shared with friends.